I'm walking you through everything you need to know about Square Appointments. If you're a beginner looking to set up a booking website, manage appointments, handle payments, and more, this tutorial is perfect for you. I'll cover each step and explain how to use Square Appointments for your business. Let's dive in. Square Appointments is a platform offered by Square that enables businesses to create a personalized booking system for clients. With this service, you can set up a dedicated appointment website where clients can easily book appointments, pay for services, and manage their schedules. Square Appointments is designed to be intuitive and simple, so whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, you'll find the setup process smooth and straightforward. It allows you to customize your booking page with your branding, choose available times, set service durations, and even offer different types of appointments. In addition to booking, Square Appointments integrates seamlessly with payment processing, allowing customers to pay directly when booking, which streamlines the entire process for both you and your clients. The platform also offers automated reminders and notifications to reduce no-shows and keep clients informed. Moreover, it syncs with your calendar, making it easier to manage your time and avoid double bookings. Whether you're a freelancer, salon owner, or a small business, Square Appointments can help you organize your schedule, enhance customer experience, and grow your business without the hassle. It's an efficient tool that saves time and improves the overall client interaction. First, head over to squareup.com, which is the home base for all things Square, including Square Appointments. On the website, you'll either need to sign in if you already have an account or create a new one if you're just getting started. You can quickly sign up using your Google account, or if you prefer, you can manually input your business details. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to the Square Appointments dashboard, your control center for managing your bookings. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Square Appointments dashboard. This is where everything is organized for you to easily manage your appointments and services. On the left-hand side, you'll notice different sections like Overview, where you can see your upcoming appointments and activities, Services, where you can add and customize the services you offer, and Calendar, which gives you a detailed view of your schedule. You'll also see sections like Appointments, Customers, and Settings, each designed to help you manage every aspect of your appointment-based business. From here, we'll guide you step by step through these key sections so you can get the most out of Square Appointments and streamline your business. The first step in setting up your Square Appointments is to define your availability. This is crucial, as it helps your clients know when they can schedule an appointment with you, and ensures that you're not overwhelmed with bookings at times that don't work for you. To begin, navigate to the Calendar section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking this will open up your calendar view, where you can get an overview of your upcoming appointments and available time slots. If you're already using Google Calendar, you can integrate it with Square to synchronize your schedules. This integration will allow your appointments to be automatically updated across both platforms, making it easier to avoid double booking and stay organized. Next, to set up your availability, this will let you specify the times when you're open for appointments. You can create both recurring schedules, for example, Monday to Thursday, from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., or make one-time adjustments for specific days. If you want to take weekends off, simply uncheck the weekend days. Or if you need to modify your hours for a particular day, just add new time slots or remove others with ease. Adjusting your availability is straightforward, giving you flexibility based on your needs. Once you've set up your availability, the next step is to create appointments for your clients. This is a simple process and can be done in just a few steps. Click Create Appointment, When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select the type of appointment you're booking. Whether it's a one-on-one session, group class, or another type of appointment, Square makes it easy to categorize your bookings. Enter client information next. You'll need to input the client's details, such as their name, email address, phone number, and any other important information you might need to keep track of. This ensures that you have the correct contact information for reminders or follow-ups. Choose a date and time based on your preset availability. Square will show you the available time slots for the day. Simply select a time that works for both you and the client. Select services if you offer a variety of services, like massages, fitness training, consultations. You can specify which service the client is booking. You can also set the duration and cost for each service, so everything is clearly outlined. If there are any special instructions or details you want to note about this particular appointment, you can enter them here. This is helpful for things like preparation tips or any client preferences. Once all the details are correct, click Save to finalize the appointment. It will be added to your calendar, and both you and the client will receive confirmation. This way, you'll both have the appointment firmly scheduled and can refer back to it later. By following these steps, you'll ensure your appointments are well organized and that you and your clients are on the same page. In addition to managing appointments, setting up the services you offer is crucial for creating a seamless booking experience for both you and your clients. This lets you customize your service options, set pricing, duration, and other details that help keep everything organized. From your dashboard, navigate to the Services section. This is where you can add and manage all of the services you offer to your clients. It's your hub for organizing what you provide, from simple consultations to specialized treatments or sessions. Click on the Create Service button to add a new offering. You'll be prompted to enter the name of the service, along with a brief description that highlights what the service includes. You can even upload images to make the listing more appealing and informative. Specify how long you expect each service to take. You can enter those details so clients know what to expect. Set the cost for the service you're offering. Whether it's a flat rate or tiered pricing based on session length, Square lets you customize it. If applicable, you can also add cancellation fees or discounts, which helps maintain clear policies for your clients. After entering all the necessary details, click the Save button. This will store your service in the system, making it available for clients to select when booking appointments. By taking the time to add your services, you'll make it easier for clients to understand what's available, while also helping you keep track of your offerings, pricing, and durations. This streamlines the booking process and ensures consistency across your services. Square Appointments offers a powerful feature to manage client information, making it easy to stay organized and keep your clients informed. You can store essential details for each client, streamlining the process of booking appointments and ensuring clear communication. When creating a new appointment, you can select an existing client or add a new one. If you choose to add a new client, you'll need to enter basic information such as their name, email address, phone number, and any other relevant details. This helps you build a client database for easy access in the future. Square Appointments allows you to keep track of client details in the Clients section of your dashboard. Here, you can view and edit client information, add notes, and update any changes in contact details. This feature ensures you have all the important information at your fingertips, reducing the chances of mistakes or missed appointments. To help keep your clients informed, Square Appointments allows you to send notifications regarding their upcoming appointments. You can send reminders via email or SMS, ensuring they don't forget their scheduled time. When creating an appointment, you'll have the option to select notification preferences. You can choose to send notifications via email, text message, or both. Square gives you the flexibility to select the method that best suits your client's preferences, ensuring that you communicate effectively with them. You can also personalize your notifications by adding a custom message or using the default notification templates provided by Square. Customizing your messages adds a personal touch, which can improve client satisfaction and reduce no-shows. This level of customization helps you keep clients informed, makes appointment management more efficient, and ultimately builds stronger relationships by ensuring your clients feel well-informed and valued. One of the standout features of Square Appointments is the ability to seamlessly accept payments directly through the platform, making it easier for both you and your clients. Whether you're offering services online or in person, Square allows you to handle transactions smoothly and securely. Online payments. Square Appointments integrates effortlessly with Square's payment processing system, meaning you can accept credit card payments for appointments made online. When a client books an appointment through your website or booking link, they can pay right then and there. This saves you time and ensures that your payments are automatically processed, reducing the risk of missed payments or cancellations. In-person payments. If you have a physical storefront or office, Square also allows you to accept payments in person. By using Square's point-of-sale (POS) system, you can accept credit card payments, debit cards, or even contactless payments like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Whether your clients are paying before, during, or after their appointment, Square makes it easy to handle all payment types without any hassle. Payment flexibility. Square Appointments also gives you the flexibility to set different payment options, like requiring a deposit up front or charging the full amount when the appointment is booked. This helps you tailor your payment policies to suit your business needs. Payment tracking. Square offers robust reporting features that track payments, making it easier to manage your finances. You can see all the payments you've received, generate invoices, and even sync payment data with accounting software. This keeps your business organized and helps ensure your cash flow remains steady. By enabling both online and in-person payment options, Square Appointments ensures that you can provide a convenient and professional experience for your clients, making payments easier than ever before. Whether you're working remotely or in a physical location, the platform helps you streamline payment collection, keeping your business running smoothly. If you have a team, Square Appointments provides an efficient way to assign tasks, manage schedules, and ensure everyone is on the same page. The platform allows you to organize your team's workflow while maintaining control over appointments and shifts. To get started, head over to the Teams section in your dashboard. Here, you can easily add each staff member by entering their details. You can assign specific roles or titles to each team member, giving them access to only the relevant features they need. Square Appointments allows you to manage your staff's working hours efficiently. You can set specific work shifts for each team member and adjust their availability, ensuring they are scheduled correctly and consistently. Once your team members are set up, they can access their individual schedules. This means each person can see their booked appointments, make adjustments, or even book appointments for clients. Your team will also be able to manage client information, send reminders, and help with rescheduling if needed. Square Appointments makes it simple for teams to collaborate. If you have multiple staff members working together, they can easily share information, coordinate appointments, and ensure smooth client interactions. Staff members can also see each other's schedules, reducing booking conflicts or double appointments. You can also monitor your team's performance by tracking appointments, completed services, and payment records. This allows you to assess how your team is performing and make adjustments as necessary to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Square Appointments offers comprehensive reporting tools that allow you to track your business performance. This is especially useful for understanding your revenue, appointment trends, and overall business health. The reports section will give you detailed insights into your sales, appointment data, and much more. Square will also give you a breakdown of your payments, including online and in-person transactions. Square Appointments offers several additional features designed to improve the efficiency of your business and enhance your customer experience. You can calculate and process employee wages directly through the platform, track hours worked, and ensure timely payments. This feature is particularly useful if you have multiple staff members and want to streamline your payroll without using third-party services. Platform allows you to generate professional invoices for services or appointments. You can easily create invoices for clients after an appointment is completed and send them directly through email. This feature also allows you to track outstanding payments, ensuring you're paid promptly for your services. You can also personalize your booking page to reflect your unique brand. Upload your logo, select color schemes, and adjust the layout to create a seamless experience for clients. This ensures your online booking system aligns with the look and feel of your business, making it feel more professional and trustworthy. With these features, Square Appointments not only simplifies appointment booking but also provides tools to manage your business more effectively, ensuring smoother operations and a better client experience.